doing
That's so
here?
funny. The Santa Clausmopolitan. That's what we're making today. For me, because she's drinking a martini, she's drinking Caraba's Blackberry Sangria. So, obviously I need something to drink while we're home making Christmas cookies. These are my daughters. They're home for the holidays. We're making Christmas cookies and drinking. What you're going to need to make these: vodka, cranberry juice, triple sec, and lime juice.
And some Christmas cheer.
Lots of Christmas cheer. And you're going to need some sugar and a martini glass. And since we're baking cookies, we're going to spice this up with some red and green sugar also. So let's get this rim on the glass. Just dunk it in a little water here. Look at that. Look at how festive that looks.
So pretty.
Now let's make this drink. So the first thing we're going to use is vodka. 1 part vodka. I guess snacks, while I'm doing all the work, are definitely in order. 1.5 parts cranberry juice.
You don't get the Hershey Kisses, mine.
Christmas cookies are good. 1/4 part triple sec.
And Max.
And 1/4 part lime juice. Definitely don't overdo it on the lime juice, because it'll taste real limey. That's perfect. Look at that glass. That looks beautiful. Alright, can you get me some ice? We're going to fill this with ice before we shake it.
That is not good after chocolate.
Are you serious with me right now? Alright, we got a little ice in our shaker. We're going to shake this. Just a good mixing. Pour into your martini glass. And if you want to, you can top with cranberries. But we're going to leave it as it is. Look at that gorgeous drink right there. Alright. So there's a beautiful drink. Let's taste this out. Cheers. Everybody have a happy holiday. Can you not ding
sorry.
and just...
Ding dong.
Alright.
That's Halloween.
Yep. One thing left to do. That's taste this drink.
Chug, 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 chug.
Mm.
I think this is more of a sipper.
That's a fine, tasty drink right there. I appreciate you stopping. Please click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already,
Can I lick the edge of that?
and then click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for stopping. I'm going to finish this off.
Can I try yours?
These, I guess my drink is a community drink.
Which side do you lick off of?
She licked over here.
Okay.
Happy holidays, everyone. That's a pretty...
Not pretty good.
So I'll drink the martini then. Can we get a picture here?
Oh, we didn't take a picture? I thought we were doing that whole time we were dinging.
And if you're interested in learning how to make the Blackberry Sangria from Caraba's and the Dirty Martini, check the links down in the description. Ting, ting. Can we get a picture for the photographer here?